Nasi Globsis Papra. La Escasils, South Line, in Yogi Armed Forces, but Light and Rio Kideki, Piper. Rivoy districts are Vinyo cases, Pragi Armed Forces, but Katkandaiki, others. West Jante Hills and Rio, others. North Garo Hills are others. South Garo Hills, Iway, other. East Jante Hill District, South, others. And West, Southwest Khasi Hills, Iway, other. But West Garo Hills District, Arbu South, Arpogi Armed Forces, but South, Iway, Kidei, Kiwi. Taking the latest update on COVID-19 over the Sngi. The number of samples sent for testing till today, the 4th September, 95,457. Those who are tested negative till today, there are 91,989. The result, till we are waiting, there are 734.
New Dignity Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Rivoy up new, are in returning, Pragmatic Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Kanai Hires, Pragmatic Kanapara Castle, South Garo Hills, Iway, Idainabo Police Station, CD, Southwest Khasi Hills, Iway, they returning, North Garo Hills are they returning, West Janta Hills, Nriu, returning, East Janta Hills, South, they returning. West Garo Hills up south with high risk, but Arpo with the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Negrams, I think sir has already given the name, yes. Age, and she's a female. She was referred to Negrams from Bethany Hospital on the 27th of August. She had comorbidities and a lot of other complications. She was tested positive on the day of admission at Bethany Hospital. And she passed away on 3rd of September 2020 at about 4:10 p.m. and it was reported today morning. Korfa gini Khlad ini complicated. Not tahu TV napo Rivoy itu pada ini yang COVID ini pada nago ikan disease government related to COVID. Others kini korfa gini complicated cases sudah tambah kilo COVID positive.